한국 전통 과자.
K. Traditional snacks.
육과.
Airy and crispy rice puffs coated with grain syrup and toasted rice.
약과.
Honey glazed deep fried wheat cookies with a dense and chewy texture.
강정.
Traditional crunchy clusters made of nuts or puffed grains held together by syrup.
다식.
Bite-sized pressed sweets made from grain flour or pollen, served with tea.
정과.
Candied fruits or root vegetables preserved in honey or sugar syrup.
주악.
Small, round traditional donuts made from glutinous rice and glazed with syrup.
엿.
A sticky, sweet traditional taffy made from fermented grains.
부각.
Healthy crisps made by frying dried vegetables coated in glutinous rice paste.